Monday, Tuesday, clap, clap, clap. Wednesday, Thursday, tap, tap, tap. Friday, Saturday, spin around. Sunday, rest, slow it down. 7 days in every week. Come on, babies, dance and speak. Jump and wiggle, shout it loud. Days of the week make us proud.
Baby Muya jumps up high. Baby Leo waves we high. Baby Zoe wiggles low. Baby Max goes go, go, go. Every day we dance and play, learning something new each day. From Monday start to Sunday's cheer. Let's keep dancing all year.
Days of the week and Monday, Tuesday, here we go. Wednesday, Thursday, nice and slow. Friday, Saturday, jump with glee. Sunday, wave to family. January, stars stay here. Cold and snowy, oh dear. February, short and sweet. Valentine hearts we love to meet. March brings winds that whoosh and blow. April showers help flowers grow. May brings sunshine bright and new. Time for fun for me and you. Claps, clap, stomp, stomp, spin around. Happy babies love this sound. Learning months is fun to do. Dance along, it's good for you. Summertime fun, June is here. Let's laugh and play. July brings sunny holiday. August waves with warm delight. Picnics, games, and stars at night.
September calls back to school. October's pumpkins, oh so cool. November says be thankful too. December brings holidays, woohoo!
Months of the year: January, February, March, and April. May and June and July, so playful. August, September, October, fun. November, December, year is done. June is here, let's laugh and play. July brings sunny holiday. August waves with warm delight. Picnics, games, and stars at night. September calls back to school. October's pumpkins, oh so cool. November says be thankful too. December brings holidays, woohoo! Months of the year: January, February, March, and April. May and June and July, so playful. August, September, October, fun. November, December, year is done. 12 whole months, let's shout it clear. Happy babies learn the year. Dance and sing and spin with cheer. We did it all, hip hip hooray.
Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4 days and months and so much more. 5, 6, 7 days in a week we sing to heaven.
12 months all year long. Learning time is in our song. Monday jump and Tuesday clap. Wednesday wiggle, take a lap. Thursday twirl and Friday cheer. Saturday dance with friends so near. Sunday slow, rest and smile. We've been dancing all the while. Every day and every month. Happy babies lead the fun. Days of the week and months of the year, we learn them all with dancing cheer. Clap your hands and shout hooray. We learn through music, fun and play. Happy babies shine so bright. Learning makes our future bright. Dance again and sing